Hi everyone, I hope you all are healthy and hearty. Here we have come again to add colors and creativity to your lives. Adriti's home is as much yours as ours. So help us grow the family by subscribing to our channel, and do remember to like our content to spread your love. Today we are going to gift you a creatively built task board which will help you to take your mental load off and aid you in sailing through the day, getting all your tasks accomplished like a pro. Please do watch the video till the end. In the later parts, we have explained how effectively you can manage your task by using different colors. We have used 4 shades of colors to categorize the tasks based on their urgency. I am going to use this task board based on my plans of upcoming videos. Videos that I will publish in this week, I will keep in the red zone. Videos that are planned for next week, I will keep in the amber zone, and next month videos I will be keeping in the green zone. Lastly, completed projects I will keep in the blue area. Please provide your valuable feedback in comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Adriti's Home. Thanks for watching. See you soon.